Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Explorer door panel. Before starting, gather your essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim tool to safely pry components without causing damage. A small pocket screwdriver is useful for delicate prying. Have a ratchet with extensions ready, along with 5.5mm and 7mm sockets. Finally, a clean cloth will help protect your vehicle's interior surfaces throughout the removal process. Next, we'll begin by detaching the interior trim pieces. Start by carefully prying off the small trim panel situated behind the door pull handle. Once that's removed, use your plastic trim tool to gently lift the entire window switch panel. It usually pops up and slides forward. After it's loose, disconnect the 3 electrical connectors from its backside by squeezing their locking tabs. Keep these parts safe. Now it's time to locate and remove the hidden fasteners. You'll typically find a 7mm bolt behind where the window switch panel was located. Additionally, look for 2 5.5mm bolts along the very bottom edge of the door panel. Depending on your Explorer's specific model, there might also be 10mm bolts behind the door handle. Ensure every single bolt is completely removed before moving to the next step. With all fasteners removed, we can now release the panel. Begin by using your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the entire perimeter of the door panel, releasing the clips. Once the clips are loose, gently pull the panel outward, then lift it straight up to clear the window channel. Finally, reach behind the panel to disconnect the door handle cable and any last electrical harnesses. Your door panel is now completely removed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.